Good morning.
Good morning.
Here we are at Sleeping Giant Provincial Park. Plan is today to drive about 3 hours to Neys Provincial Park, and we'll check that out. There's a it's a former POW camp, and it's right on the water, and we'll have electricity. So that's all I know so far. We'll have to get gas on the way. Campground was super quiet, super peaceful, right on the water. Can't really beat the views here.
Slept so well.
Highly recommended campsite. And if you can get it on the lake, I think that's pretty nice. I mean, I think they'd all be pretty nice campsites, but I think the ones right here on the lake are pretty special. Starlink worked really well. We have the Mini, and we just had it on the dashboard, and it was facing kind of south actually. We have a nice clearing, so I think the obstructions were there, but good signal for what we were doing, just checking on our route, getting some information about where we're located and about our future trip. Plus there's no cell service here, and so if there was an emergency you could do Wi-Fi calling. Normally you're disconnected, but I think just for safety reasons it's kind of nice to have. Just going through all the pre-driving routine.
Yep. Tucking things away, making sure that everything's closed. Not gonna open up on us. Bathroom door is snapped shut. Oop, this door was not. There we go. That's why you look. I forgot I did that.
We'll bring the step up.
Oh, mosquito. No. Oh, missed him. Oh, oh, I think he's going.
Is that what? Yeah.
Yes, quick, shut the door.
So just getting some gas here at the Nipigon Esso gas station. I was expecting it to be really horrible cost-wise. It wasn't too bad. It was just needed to get 3/4 of a tank. It was $65. Still on our way to Neys Provincial Park, so we'll be there in probably a couple hours. The highway, Trans-Canada Highway, it's sometimes divided and sometimes single lane either way, but lots of opportunity for people to pass, so it hasn't been too difficult that way. The speed limit is 90 kilometers, which are around 55 miles per hour. So it's a nice speed. I like being forced to go that speed. It just helps with the being able to look around and see everything. So that's been fun. what do you think of this campground?
Beautiful. It's so nice.
Let's check it out. Right on the lake here, we have a brisk wind, though. It's about 50 degrees right now. Feels good. Feels like natural air conditioning. But we are literally on the beach here. Pretty crazy. Beautiful. Probably one of the nicest campgrounds we've been at. If you come to these campgrounds, don't forget your extension cord. This one's a lot closer than last night.
Yeah.
But I still needed my extension cord. I could have backed up a little bit more too, but... So we moved it just a little bit to give us a better view of the lake.
We're small, we can do that.
Yeah, it's one of the advantages of having a small camper.
Sandy Beach, wow, look at this.
Would you like to go for a swim? 50 degrees and windy? We didn't bring our winter jackets.
Oh, well, it's not just that. I do have another jacket with a hood, or I have a little hat.
I think
I should have put on.
sun really helps though.
Oh yeah, definitely. It'd be a lot colder without this.
But the wind is coming directly off the lake, so
Yeah, yeah.
it is super chilly.
Yes.
Well, 90 degrees at home, so this is kind of nice.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take this, actually.
Good sleeping weather.
Yeah. Yeah, we should.
We're down there on the campsite. The visitor center is currently closed, unfortunately. We were going to look through the visitor center to get more information about the prisoner of war camp that used to be here during World War II. There's a interesting write-up right here on the history. From 1940 to 1947, Canada detained some 34,000 German combatants, Great Britain's civilian internees, and enemy merchant mariners in 26 permanent camps and hundreds of smaller work camps across the country. This internment at the request of the British government was important to the Allied war effort, as it kept these men far from the battle zones. At camps like the one here at Neys, detainees provided non-military labor in essential sectors such as agriculture and forestry. Canada's humane treatment of military prisoners was favorably noted internationally and prompted hundreds of former prisoners to emigrate after the war. So Linda wanted two, so I don't get any. Oh well, I'm gonna go hungry tonight.